What do you have? What do you have? Are you playing with glass cleaner? You know that's not good for you. What's your problem? Huh? Is no one paying attention to you? Huh? Is no one paying attention to you? My goodness. My goodness, baby. All right. Hey, bud. Don't do that. Whew. Man, okay, here we go. All right, here's what we're doing. This pipe is going to go in the ground. This is 3/4 inch, 10-foot sticks of electrical conduit. And that is going to go in the ground from the electrical service at the corner of the house. It's going to run up the driveway to the fence post. At the fence post, there's going to be maybe 1 or 2 electrical outlets, receptacles, for power, for whatever, but mainly for Christmas lights. And then there's going to be two runs up there, and the other run is going to be for a future automated gate opener and closer. So that's the plan. We're just getting started here. I hand dug from the house away, and then I got the backhoe away from the house a little bit so the wife can dig, and that's what she's doing now. Alright, so we'll do that about 10,000 more times and we'll be good to go. And here's the entrance. This is commercial power, ground stake, ground wire, goes into the panel. I'm going to run the pipe right up alongside here. I'm sure there is some NEC code that says you have to be a certain amount of distance away from the pipe, but I don't care. I'm going to put it here. I have 2 LBs. 3/4 inch. I'm going to mount here, drill through, and I can get to my panel. Right there's the panel right around the corner, so we'll be good. All right, let me take care of this screaming baby.